Hello, welcome back. Here we are once again for a Mini-Max ultralight aircraft build. These flies are bad. Right now, it rained a bunch. We got a lot of flies and mosquitoes around. They've been terrorizing me in here. Anyway, I got a bunch of diagonals cut, ready to glue yesterday afternoon, yesterday evening. And while I'm waiting on this glue to dry right here, this piece right here, I had to add it because there was a plywood snafu, and now I have to stop the plywood here instead of here and come back and fill this later. So while this is drying some more, we'll go back and put them diagonals on, and then later on I'm going to try to sand this down, smooth it up, and get the plywood on it and let it sit a couple days while I'm out of town. So we will put this on and get going. Let me mix up some glue. It's like spinning the wheel. Mix up some glue. It is a beautiful day here in southeastern Virginia. Again, it's a little cloudy, a little rainy-fied, but still good day. Good weather. It's about 75 to 80, I guess. A little humid because we get a little rain off and on. I got some more epoxy coming. Anyway, I'm going to try to use it sparingly, but I want to make sure I use more than enough, You want to make sure you use enough to get that good bond. Good fit. Uh-oh, you know what? I need some more wax paper. Yep. Right there in that corner. Use it a little bit. This stuff's invaluable, and I should have been using it more. Should have covered the whole daggone workbench in it. Every now and then I get the cutting fitting so good I don't do a little final sand job. One thing I noticed, I need to quit sanding my boards down so they're so fine that the glue doesn't have a porous area to get into, if you know what I mean. The sander will like heat up and like almost crystallize the into the wood, so it's hard and not porous. I mean, you really want as porous as can be to soak up this stuff. Okay. There's one. It's so tight it does not need a clamp. Alright. Next. Almost all of them are snug enough where you don't need a clamp. one's got that compound cut. It's a little bit this way and that way. Not all perfect. They're really, really close though. I did cut one. I had to recut where it was just a hair too short. Had a little bit of play in it, so could not accept that. Doesn't specify how the angle is supposed to come in or how this joint is to be. Whether it's supposed to be centered on this joint or to the left or to the right. So I got a little variety of stuff actually. Yeah. He's the only one I've had to clamp. Good, Mr. Kite. Well, okay. All those pieces are in. Now I have pieces that go across here. I'm going to let the glue dry before I do it a little bit. I have diagonals that go in here, 1, 2, these 3 stations here. Then I have some sanding to do. Then I'm putting this plywood on, and that's going to be off for a couple days. Hope you're enjoying the build with me. Hope y'all have a great day. And we're having an episode shortly where we're gluing this top on, nailing it on, and closing the box. But I hope y'all have a great day. We'll see you again soon. Bye.